Hey guys, I am Subha and I am making this quick video to let you know that there are 12 new free products on my Gumroad store for you. And all these products include KDP keyword lists, password logbook keywords, blood pressure logbook keywords, auto logbook keywords. You will not only get access to these, you will also seeing these niches like you can publish password logbook, blood pressure logbook, auto logbook and baby logbook. These keywords lists can also serve as niche ideas. You can also find sub niche ideas inside these keywords. 26 diabetic logbook keywords, income and expense logbook 14 keywords, inventory logbook 23 keywords, maintenance logbook 24 keywords, then is medicine logbook 10 keywords, mileage logbook 20 keywords, money logbook 11 keywords and timesheet logbook 11 keywords as well. These are new products on my Gumroad store, all for free. However, if you want to pay any fair price, you are most welcome. So check out the link to my Gumroad store in the description below, and you need to scroll a bit down until you see this section. On the top you will see my other products that are already published. So down below you will be seeing these products. I think you will find these useful, and let me know other free products and free resources you want me to create for you people. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.